In this video, we'll show you how to rewrite or modify text in any PDF document using the AI-powered tools inside Tenorshare PDNob. Whether you're updating a report, polishing a proposal, or fixing grammar in a research file, PDNob's built-in AI makes rewriting effortless. With PDNob, you can use smart rewriting to rewrite sentences or full paragraphs for better tone, grammar, and clarity, and localized style to adjust your writing for different audiences, regions, or professional needs. So, if you're ready to make your PDF documents sound sharper, clearer, and more professional, let's jump right in. First, download and install Tenorshare PDNob on your computer. Don't worry, PDNob works for both editable PDFs and scanned PDFs via OCR feature. Then launch Tenorshare PDNob on your computer and open your PDF file. If your PDF is scanned or image-based, don't worry, just click Perform a CR to convert it into an editable format first. Once the text is recognized, you can modify it just like a Word document. And the software will scan your pages, recognize all the text, and turn it into editable content. Now, let's move into the main feature, how to rewrite your PDF text using AI inside Tenorshare PDNob. This tool makes editing incredibly simple, especially when you want to polish your writing or fix grammar without changing the layout of your document. To rewrite your PDF using AI, simply select any sentence or paragraph you want to improve. Highlight the sentence or paragraph, then you'll see a small AI chat box appear. Next, click the AI icon located at the bottom of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to multiple AI-powered tools. You can continue your writing and let AI finish or expand your sentences. Polish your text to make it more professional, natural, or detailed. Change tone and style, make it sound more formal, persuasive, or concise. Explain or rewrite text. If your sentence looks unclear, AI can explain it or rewrite it automatically for better grammar and readability. Now, I want to select Polish, then make the text more professional. AI will generate new text and make it professional. If you're not satisfied with the result, no worries, just click Regenerate to let AI create another improved version. Once you find the perfect one, simply click Replace to insert the AI-generated text into your PDF instantly. And also, you can use the AI chat box on the side panel to ask anything about your PDF document. For example, you can ask about the meaning of a word, abbreviation, or spelling, and the AI will automatically provide an explanation or correction for you. Once you get the answer, you can rewrite the section inside your PDF or simply copy and paste the AI response directly into your document. It's a great way to clarify confusing terms, improve accuracy, or make your text sound more natural and professional. After everything looks good, you can adjust the layout to make your file look clean and organized. You can move text boxes, tweak the alignment, or modify the font and spacing to keep everything consistent and polished. Tenorshare PDNob ensures your layout stays perfect, no broken margins, no text overlap. This makes it ideal for updating reports, rewriting resumes, fixing business contracts, or modernizing academic papers, all directly within your PDF. And that's it, you've just learned how to rewrite and improve any PDF document using AI with Tenorshare PDNob. For editable PDFs, you can rewrite your text directly with the AI tools, no conversion needed. For scanned or image-based PDFs, just run the OCR feature first, then use AI rewriting to polish and update the content effortlessly. Whether you're fixing grammar, improving tone, updating old information, or localizing your writing for different readers, PDNob gives you full control while keeping your layout completely intact. Tenorshare PDNob ensures layout accuracy, clean formatting, and high-quality results, even after heavy edits. So you can confidently update business reports, academic papers, resumes, or contracts without worrying about breaking your design or alignment. And don't forget, the built-in AI doesn't just rewrite. It can explain words, expand your ideas, simplify complex sections, or make your writing sound more professional and natural. Everything you need to perfect your PDF is already inside PDNob. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and productivity tutorials like this one. You can download Tenorshare PDNob using the link in the description below to try it yourself and experience how powerful AI can be for document editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.